how to recover data after doing factory reset on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also have done a factory reset on Android device, so if you want to recover your data, so first thing, just head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside here, you can just search in for the restore or backup option over here, just like this. And for this method to work, what you need to do first is you must have made sure of backup or kept backup previously for a restore point or backup of your own files, so that you can do or perform such actions in this period of time. So once you're inside here, once you're searching for that result, you can just tap on this temporary cloud backup, or you can just tap in, or you can also simply search in for account backup. You can just tap in manage account, and you can see there is an option that is restore data. So simply tap on that, and as you can see, I previously backed up my file on that particular date. So now I'll just tap on this option, and you can simply tap on restore and simply install all of the applications which you had previously kept in as a backup. And to make sure of that backup file, you can just tap on this backup data before anything to start backing up your data files or apps. So that is the only way you can do it, guys. Or you can also actually keep it all of your files on the hard drive or pen drive, that is the external drives, before actually doing a factory reset. So unless and until you do that, that is the only way you do it, guys. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.